Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Squarespace e-commerce setup step by step guideline in 2025, and it is a perfect video for beginners. Like whether you are selling physical product, digital downloads or service, this tutorial will help you get your store up and running fast. So without any further ado, let's dive in. First of all, you need to understand what is Squarespace. Squarespace.com is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform that allows anyone, even without coding skill, to create professional websites, online store blogs, and portfolios. Like what Squarespace is used for. So you can use for building website, creating online store, then hosting our blog or podcast, or you can showcasing your portfolio, great for artists, photographer, designers, and you can promote your brand or business, scheduling appointment and selling service through Squarespace. So if you are new in Squarespace, the process is really simple. You just need to create an account in Squarespace. Just click on get started. Once you click over here, then here they will ask for your selection. So I'm going to select this one, then click on next, and simply you need to fulfill these 3 steps, and then you will get creation of your account. Once you're done, then here you will see that we already have an account. This is our account dashboard, and here we are allowed to create our website trial expired on May 20. So here you can see we already have an website and we are using the trial time period, and we will get 14 days trial time period if I create an website in Squarespace. So if you want to create an website, you can use the free panel, but if you want to publish it on online, then you need to purchase their premium plan. So like I'm going to click on a new website, that's why I will click over here, create website. Once I click over here, then here they will ask similar question. When they ask, I am going to create an account. So here I will choose this one, photography, then I will click on next. Once I click over here, then here what do we want to do with your website? Sell online course, offer contact from, promote a physical business, sell service, whatever you want is totally up to you. I'm going to click on sell products, then click on next. And then how would you like to start building your website? Choose a template or build a template. You can use AI if you choose this one. So I'm going to choose a template. So that's for reason I choose this one. And now here you can see we have couple of templates over here. You can choose it which one you feel will be relevant for your business. So I'm going to choose this one. I think this may be a good choice for me for my business. So I'm going to click this one, and now here you can see they are giving us the template, and you can overview this whole template, and you can check out the responsibleness here. Just click over that panel, and here you can see this in the mobile. It will look like this way. Once you find out that this one will be perfect for your business, then just click on start with design, or you can click check your sample color preset. Like there is a different kind of sample for your brand, so you can choose whatever you feel will be likely good for you. So click on start with this design, just click over here, and now you will find out these options. It will take a while, then you will get the options to edit whole website, like the editing panel. Now as you can see, this is the Mercury and this is our website. Now you can select this one, your site title. Here in the left corner you can see we have setup guide. If you click on setup guide, then they will give you all the personalized options, edit site options. Here you can check this out, and let's talk here by myself, then you will understand furthermore. So I'm going to edit it. Just click over here, edit. Once you click over here, now you can edit whatever you want. I'm going to edit this title, or I'm going to add a new type like logo over here. Just click over here, upload file. So here I'm going to upload our logo. Just click over here, and it will be upload over that place. Here you can see it will be changed, so it will take a while to upload it. Once you've done, then you can eventually edit each and every element over that panel. So here we have edit design option. Just click over here. Now you can see you can change the logo design, whatever design you want, you can do it. Then you can do this way. Like the first one will was the perfect one. That's why I will leave it this way and click on this site logo and click this pen button, and I'm going to change the logo height, and it's now visible and it looks really amazing. Once you're done, you just need to click on save, and this way you will get the result. And now you can, if you want to do work on here, you just need to click on edit design. Once you click over here, then you will get the option to edit each and every element in this panel. You can add elements, you can add buttons, social links, and many more over that panel. So let's go and let's click on exit, and let's talk about website dashboard. So here you can see, if you want to add page over here, you can add the page. If you want to add main navigation, let's add one of them. Let's add a blank page, and as you can see, it will be changed over that panel. This is main navigation, and I'm going to add my name, and let's leave it this way. And here you can see our new page has been added. This way you can easily add a new page. Then here we have marketing tools like announcement bar. If you want to add any announcement bar, you are allowed to add it here. Like if you want to know further more about this Squarespace, you need to be explore it one by one. You will find out various things in this Squarespace page. Then here you can see styles. If you click over here style, you will see site style, font, colors, buttons, forms, and many things. Then click on exit on, so click over here. Now here you can see we have options like email campaign, analytics. Let's click on analytics, and here you can see Squarespace Analytics give you a powerful insight into how your site is performing. With analytics, you can get a clear picture of your visitor and their behavior through visual data report. So here you can see you can analyze all the necessary things. Like I already mentioned in the video that this is really great for a small business owner or photographers. So as you can see, this is our bounce rate, visitor, traffic source. We can search keyword from this panel also. We just need to be integrate our Google search keywords. Then here we have the finance option where we can check out our order through these options. As you can see, we have this email campaign. Like you can send email to your subscriber through this option here. What kind of email do you want to create list? First you can create. Let's click on thank you, and here you can see automatic preview mode. Your first time customer, just click over here. Like customer makes an order on your product, then you will time delay 1 day later, actions, send email, and this way you will get this template. So here all are pre-built. You just need to be customize it and make it proper for you using. So if you want to watch this product and service, here you can easily add your product over that panel. From this panel you are allowed to add your physical product, and adding a product is really simple. As you can see, it will take a while to load. Once it's done, then here you can see you just need to be give the product name. I'm going to give a name that will be jeans. Then you need to be add your photo. I'm going to add one, then click on next, and here you just need to be implement your price. This file type is not supported, image must be in JPG, so you need to be use a JPG file. So let's go and delete it and add another one, or you can select from library. So I'm going to upload it. I don't have any image in library file, so I'm going to upload an image. This maybe will be, no, there is a problem, so I don't have any image right now, so I will leave it this way, and I will go ahead with this skip. And here you can see add more details. Here you have the options to add product name and many things here one by one, and then eventually you can able to upload or publish your product. So here you can see forms, emails, inventory, fulfillment, organization, selling tools. And let's go, and I hope this was really helpful. If you think this video will helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Let's wrap up the video in here.